Hello, hi everybody. I'm sorry, I was actually um I was in a very hodgepodge because half the way shoot rakke with the special kind permission of all my actors. I've been here from Film City, and that's the reason why I'm into this makeup and this hair and everything. So first of all, आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much, TEDxI, for inviting me. And three pointers basically I am here to share with you all, which can be, which is in context with Bagha. So the first and the foremost is personality. I'm sure, I mean, who all are aware of the show Tarak Mehta? I'm sure everybody, right? And who have seen Bagha? Everybody, right? So personality and Bagha do not relate to each other, as we all know, right? So, but yeah, keeping an attitude of being positive in life definitely helps not even Bagha, but to any common man to achieve their goal. Because Bagha being Bagha basically a literal term in Gujarati means a dumb guy who is thinking few seconds later than what a normal human being thinks. But Bagha is always ahead of the time in terms of his thoughts. And that's the reason why Bagha has Bauri, and that's the reason why Bagha has a wonderful uncle like Natu Kaka and a lovely Sethji called Jethalal. I'm sure you must be aware of Jethalal. Yeah, the way you people are telling yes, it seems you are jealous of Jethalal being crushed on Babita. Wow, that's great. So, being having a good personality definitely helps us to achieve what we need in life, right? It is not just that you need to be tall, dark, and handsome with scruffy hairs and broad shoulders to have this personality, right? Bagha being Bagha can definitely achieve what he wants. There are times when Jethalal is in tough times wherein Bagha has become a rescue for Jethalal, giving him different kind of schemes, ideas. So, first and foremost, to keep a positive attitude towards life, the way Bagha keeps, is what I would like to share with you all. To be positive in life, nothing is impossible in this world because any actor or any human being, any person definitely achieves a goal only after getting into a hell lot of struggles. So keep struggling positively and you're definitely going to get and reach your goals. Second is the tagline of Bagha that you all must be aware of, Jaisi Jiski Soch. Now the term Jaisi Jiski Soch is very, very, very simple to say, but if you think it in deep, there are many solutions if you keep this tagline into your life, if you merge this tagline into your life, if you see two people debating for no reason, getting into an argument, getting any kind of tiff, any kind of discussions, which is not good. The one if says, okay, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं भाई, जैसे जिसकी सोच, तेको जो करना है वो कर. Matter ends. The discussion is all over out there. So Bagha, having this attitude of not getting into any kind of discussions, any kind of tiffs, any kind of creating mental turmoils in his life, by keeping this tagline into his life, by merging this tagline into his life, like Jaise Jiski Soch. And this tagline, I'm thankful to Dilip Joshi sir, who actually gave me this tagline, Jaise Jiski Soch. It was a scene we were shooting initially, and wherein I had to say कि सेठ जी आप चाय क्यों पी रहे हो, आप कॉफ़ी आप मिल्क शेक पीजिए, मैं जहाँ पहले काम किया करता था वो मेरे सेठ तो मिल्क शेक ही पीते थे. एंड देन जेठालाल इज़ लाइक मुझे चाय पीनी है भाई, तुझे कोई तकलीफ है? एंड देन बागा इज़ लाइक मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, वो तो जैसे जिसकी सोच. एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे दिस टैगलाइन हैज़ बिकम iconic and symbol for Bagha. Thirdly, the character, which is most important. Not about Bagha I'm talking about every human being. A crystal clear character that can define the entire life strategy of y'all, Any good thing, any bad thing, anything you do in your life definitely reflects the character. So keeping a crystal clear character like Bagha, the way you know how innocent he is, the way you know there is no maliceness in his mind, there is no any kind of forgery he can try. He's so loyal to Gada Electronics, he's so loyal to his Sethji, he's so loyal to Bauriji. Not that Bagha can, get another girlfriend, but since he's loyal, so he's loyal to Bauriji. He's loyal to his uncle, being a good nephew. So again, the most and foremost important thing for a human being is to get a crystal clear character, and to have this transparency in life, to get clear things, and to stay focused is what Bagha has. And I would like everybody, you all, to keep this three important aspects in your life. Building up a good personality, however, doesn't mean, as I said, being tall, dark, and handsome, but with your approach, with your positive attitude. Secondly is जैसे जिसकी सोच. अवॉइड करो यार, लाइफ में कितना कुछ हम लोग यही सब डिस्कशन में, unnecessary arguments में गवा रहे हैं, the basic moments, you know. So keep this line with you all, जैसी जिसकी सोच. And third and foremost, keep a crystal clear character. I would like to thank everybody, since I'm actually running short of time. And thank you once again, Team TEDxE, for calling me and having this wonderful conversation with you people. And I hope you all love watching the show. And thank you to the producer, Mr. Asit Kumar Modi, as well, you know, for creating such a wonderful show who can give you laughters day in and day out since last 16 years. And bas, that's it. Bavrij is waiting for me in Gada Electronics. I have to leave now. Thank you so much. अगर कुछ ज़्यादा बोल दिया हो तो बुरा मत लगाना, बाकी तो जैसी जिसकी सोच. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.